Hi guys, welcome back to No Break November. Today is day 29 and Zion has a new maintenance routine and I'm gonna share with you guys what it is. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see, my baby here decided to shave down his sides. And disclaimer, he chose to do this long before I chose to do mine, so I pretty much copied him. Except I didn't shave the back, I just did my sides. But yes, he asked to get his sides shaved because he wanted to get haircuts and still keep his locks. He claims he wants to keep his locks forever, but he also wants to get haircuts on the sides and the back. So we took the back and the side down, cut some locks off, but because he's young and I let him make decisions, I was hesitant to just go through cutting. So there's some locks that I didn't cut off that I'm gonna cut off in this video. If you guys have been following Zion since he started his locks, you guys know he started his locks as a young little boy, and now he's 8 years old. And from the beginning, decisions have been his, and I don't decide for him pretty much anything. Something like hair, to me, I feel like a child can express themselves through it in a way. As long as it's appropriate for his age, I will never say no to him expressing himself, if that makes sense. So pretty much he wanted this cut, so we gave it to him. And this is pretty much what his maintenance is looking like now. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up his sides and then continue on. So as I said before, we washed after cutting down his sides. He did want his sides lined up. He specifically asked for that. You guys know in the beginning people were in the comments saying line his hair up. Why are you not lining him up? Line him up. I do not line little kids up, but he is getting older and he sees that his dad gets lined up sometimes, so sometimes he wants a lineup. He says not all the time, but sometimes. So he got a lineup, and from here I will not be retwisting his hair. I moisturize his hair with moringa oil. It's been doing really good for him, so we continue on with it. And then I style his hair with a no retwist style because he doesn't really want retwist anymore. So back here we cut off 2 rows of his locks, which is kind of good because those rows were the longest ones and they looked kind of too long for the rest of them, if that made sense. So it kind of worked out. So this is after moisturizing his hair with the moringa oil. You guys can find that down in my Amazon store, the one that I would recommend, because I get mine from Haiti. When I go to Haiti, I buy some, so I don't buy it in the States, so I couldn't recommend anybody in the States. But I have tried some off Amazon, and it works pretty well. So those of you who are wanting to try moringa oil, Amazon's a great place to start. And if you go to somewhere where they actually produce moringa oil, take the opportunity to buy it there. So as I said, he does not want to retwist anymore, so we are just going to let his hair grow in pretty much freeform, but I will still be maintaining it and styling it in styles such as this one. This is just plaits without the retwist. If you guys want to see more of this style or see how I do this style, stay tuned. I may upload it later on, either next month or sometime during this month, because this month is pretty much almost over. So and in December I will not be posting every day in December. This challenge has been really cool. It's challenged me because I am super busy, as you guys know. I have 3 little babies. I work, I take clients where and when I can. I also still do the YouTube thing, try to have a social media presence, so it's a lot going on. So this challenge was definitely a challenge for me, but we're almost there. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Definitely stay tuned for this style if you want to see it, and if you have specific requests, consider becoming a member, because there are a lot of perks designed for people who usually want more from me after watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.